Maintaining healthy skin is not an easy task. No matter how many products you use, your skin will glow only if you are healthy from within. That's why getting the right amount of nutrients through your food is a must. An abundant source of nutrients and essential vitamins is fruits. Vitamin C-enriched fruits are great for reducing acne marks and skin brightening. Fruits with B vitamins are great for improving your overall skin health. Foods rich in vitamin A can help in reducing acne. Fruits are a rich source of antioxidants and a range of vitamins, making them one of the best things you can eat to achieve healthy and glowing skin. If you don't know where to begin, then we have curated a list of the best readily available fruits for glowing skin that you must start including in your diet as soon as possible. But before we get into our listing, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. As we post health-related videos on a daily basis, we don't want you to miss out any of our content. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we upload a video. Getting back to our listing of fruits for glowing skin. 1. Banana. Delicious, easy to peel and not at all messy. This fruit is packed with antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, and is also very moisturizing. It contains vitamin A, C, K, E, folate and minerals that make it effective in improving your skin health. It is also rich in dietary fiber that is required for a good digestive system, which helps with good skin as well. Bananas are also moisturizing agents that help soothe dry skin. Just peel it and have it at any time of the day. You can even make a banana smoothie that is extremely filling and healthy. Bananas can be used to make breads and various desserts. Mashed bananas, when applied to your skin, can instantly make it soft and hydrated. 2. Oranges. Oranges are a huge source of natural vitamin C, and therefore, they are one of the most effective fruits you can eat to brighten up a dull complexion. Additionally, oranges are a huge source of natural citrus oils, which help to keep your skin hydrated from the inside, and plump and supple on the outside. Eating oranges also helps to build natural collagen, which aids in preventing premature aging. Eat at least half an orange once a day, but if you are not a fan of eating the fruit, you could make juice out of it. But avoid adding sugar, as that could lead to skin inflammation. 3. Mangoes. Mango is known as the king of fruits for a reason. It not only tastes amazing but is also packed with a lot of skin-loving benefits that we bet you didn't know about. This fruit is enriched with vitamins A, E, C and K, flavonoids, polyphenolics, beta-carotene, and xanthophylls, all which have a unique and integral function in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. It not only reduces inflammation and hydrates your skin, but also reduces acne and improves texture. Adding a few pieces of mango to a bowl of yogurt and having it with breakfast is a great way to get your daily dose of probiotics and the benefits of mango in one. 4. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, stands true for your skin as well. Consuming apples helps restore that healthy youthful glow we all always want, thanks to the presence of vitamins A and C. The peel, as well as the fruit, are loaded with antioxidants, potassium, magnesium and dietary fibers, which not only protect your skin against antioxidant damage but also make it appear clear and youthful. Apples can be a little hard to digest if eaten post-lunch, therefore the best time to eat an apple is with your breakfast. This would help improve your metabolism, keep your system clean and give you clearer, glowing skin. 5. Strawberry. Looking for an expensive yet super effective natural chemical exfoliator? Well, strawberries are your answer. This sweet, citrus fruit contains naturally occurring alpha-hydroxy acid and the most effective acne fighter, salicylic acid. These two compounds come together to form the perfect shield against oily and acne-prone skin. Additionally, armed with amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, strawberry is one of those fruits that you better eat lots of. You can either eat strawberries raw or add them to your usual smoothie to give it a yummy, tropical flavor. 6. Watermelons. That watermelon is great for the skin shouldn't really come as a surprise. Apart from being made up of 92% water, it is also a rich source of various other nutrients such as vitamin C, A and B1 to name a few. These nutrients come together to give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow by improving uneven texture, preventing skin damage and even reducing inflammation. Watermelon can be consumed at any time of the day owing to its rich water content. You can either eat the fruit just as is, drink its juice or even add it to your salads for a touch of freshness. 7. Pomegranate. Living in the city can wreak complete havoc with your skin, from making your skin appear dull and damaged to premature aging. But a great way to beat these harmful effects of environmental damage on your skin is to include pomegranate in your daily diet. This is because pomegranates are a huge reservoir of essential skin-loving compounds such as antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which protect your skin against UV damage and pollution to keep it healthy and glowing. Eating a small bowl of pomegranate every day is the best way to consume this fruit. You can even add it to your salads, desserts, and other meals to make the most of its goodness. 8. Lemons. Another fruit from the citrus family that carries a plethora of glow-inducing nutrients and vitamins is lemon. Brimming with vitamin C, this not only brightens your complexion but improves your skin's barrier function to protect it against harmful environmental aggressors. Additionally, it also works really well to reduce dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, and even minor scarring. This is why consuming lemons in any form will simply transform the appearance of your skin. Drink a glass of lemon juice every day. This will not only provide intense hydration but also deliver the goodness of lemons to your skin. 9. Cucumbers. Did you know that cucumber is actually a fruit and not a vegetable? Cucumbers are a rich source of natural hydration and can amp up the moisture levels of your skin. Additionally, the cooling agents present in cucumber help not only to calm and soothe your skin but also give it an antioxidant boost. Cucumber also contains a considerable amount of vitamin C and K, both of which are essential for making your skin appear bright and glowing. Placing a slice of cucumber over each eye is a great way to reduce puffiness, dark circles as well as fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. Well, there you have them, our hand-picked 9 readily available fruits for glowing skin. Which one is your favorite fruit? Let us know in the comments section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring daily health videos. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.